welcome back to the Essentials Club. I'm Maddie, and today I'm going to be talking you through how we upgraded our entryway into our new home. This used to be like a weird little cabinet area. It used to block the walkway, so we have since got rid of that, painted all the walls white, given it a nice crisp cleanup, which you can see over in our renovation video. And then we made this little DIY shelf, which we thought was cute to hang some pieces in that we could grab on our way out and just make it a nice cute display as you walk in. I feel like it's such a cute little addition and so easy to make, and if you're looking for something that little bit extra for a shelf, this might be your answer. So throughout this process, I was a bit of the creative director and Darcy pretty much put it all together, so you'll be seeing a lot of him doing the actual work, but I'll talk you through the steps of what we followed to make it.
Step 1. Measure the designated space and figure out how long you want the shelf to be. Step 2. Go to your local hardware store and get the timber, screws and hooks, and if the timber isn't already sealed, grab some protective lacquer coating. For the timber sizing, you'll need one thicker piece for the base. Mine measured at 1 inch thick by 2.5 inches wide by however long I want the shelf to be. And then one thinner piece for the top section. Mine measured 1/2 inch thick by 4.5 inches wide by however long I wanted the shelf to be. Just a side note, make sure you have some screws that are long enough to get through the thicker slab and into the wall. Step 3. Cut down both pieces of timber to the desired length. If you don't have something to cut it with, just get a pal or a local trade shop to do it for you. Step 4. Align the top and the bottom piece and attach them by screwing together. Step 5. Mark out the placement of the holes for the hooks and the wall attachment. The side holes will need to go all the way through the thick piece of timber to allow it to attach to the wall, and the hook ones will just need to be the depth of the provided screws. Step 6. If you didn't get sealed timber, it's time to add the protective lacquer and then let it dry. Step 7. Mark out the wall for the final placement, making sure that everything is level and centered. Then drill it into place through the 2 designated side holes. If your shelf is a little bit longer, you might need to add extra holes for better strength. Finally, attach the hooks and she's all good to go. Enjoy your new feature shelf.